What's up, everybody? My name is Bryce Pettiford. I'm a third-year RA, and I'm going to give you a tour of Saints Hall. All right, right now I'm reporting live from the Saints Hall Lodge. This is a nice chill space for students to come show off your pool skills. You have a nice fireplace, gives you a nice little ski resort vibe. I know. And customary to Saints and all of Maryville's campus, we have an Apple TV on this TV where you can come play movies, chill with your friends, and relax. And even over here, we have a toaster oven, microwave, and free coffee. Can't beat that. And down here on the first floor, we have free laundry for everyone. You gotta stay fresh on campus. And don't worry, even though this is the only laundry room, we have plenty of washers and dryers for whatever loads you have. And right here is Saints' very own workout facility. We have treadmills, we have a punching machine back there to blow some steam, and we even have weights and different machines that can be manipulated to get those personal gains on campus. So right now I'm giving you an inside look on how we live in Saints Hall. I'm here with my boy Campto.
What's good?
And in every Saints Hall dorm, you get 2 closets, a sink, and a bathroom that you share with your neighbor. And I'm gonna let Campto show you why his room is special.
I like this room. It's pretty big, so we can keep our own personal space. I came with my own fridge, and my roommate came with the microwave. He came with his own TV. I came with my own TV. We got our own side. This is my side over here. Then the bathroom is pretty big as well. And like you mentioned earlier, we share with our suite mates. Pretty solid bathroom. Comes with a shower, toilet, another sink.
So as you can see, we're living great in Saints Hall. We got our own desk, outlets galore, so you don't have to worry about any of those problems. Here in Saints, every floor has our own personal lounge where you can come, relax, chill out with friends, and even play your video games on the TV screen. What gets better than that? In addition to having a nice lounge where you can put your feet up and relax, we also have a top-of-the-line study area where you can plug in and get all of your homework done for the week.
Yeah.
And everybody always comes up and asks me, Bryce, why is Saints so special? I immediately tell them it's the newest hall on campus, a modern look that can't be compared to any other dorm hall across the country. And we even have the best RAs that make your own door tags. Also, what makes Saints so great is that we have a ping pong table on this floor, a foosball table above, and even a pool table down below. Name something better than that, I dare you. Thank you so much for taking the tour with me, and I hope that you really consider Saints Hall if you do plan on coming to Maryville. See you soon.